just around the web section. Like my mind naturally tunes this out. Like why would I care? You know, why why would I go to CBS and care about smartwatches? I don't. This SUV, do not care. Do not care. I don't like it. This is where it should be, but as far as like transactions, like there should be probably like a section of itself of like, latest like transaction wire. Why not have a section that just says transaction wire?
There's a lot of it's kind of chaotic, this graphic right here. I'm also, these ads are popping out. I'm actually really surprised on CBS Sports to be seeing ads. I think Google Ads just, I guess they have to pay to keep the lights on, but the ads do stand out as kind of like a spamish site. And the page is very, again, just chaotic. Like things seem to be kind of just thrown everywhere, a little bit unorganized. NBA is all over. You got football mixed with baseball mixed with, what else is here? Football. I also think it could be improved by organizing quite a bit. Maybe having more of, a filter, a tab at the top. So instead of every sport all over, it's, do I want to look at mainly baseball? Or toggle them on or off. Maybe I want to see baseball, football, and basketball, but I don't want to see soccer. So I think that'd be nice to be able to kind of filter out this homepage view, and that's a way that this page can be improved. So these down here, as well as these ads here on Google Ads, I don't like those. I think they get in the way. It's interfering with the experience. It's just not ideal and not something that I'd prefer to see on a sports page. What do you think about finding the transaction transfer rumors? Well, I thought it was more of the actual transactions and less of the rumors. So maybe two different sections in there, one that says rumors and one that says actual transactions. I think that's a way that the process could be improved. Champions League, MLB. I'm looking for a place to buy a basketball. Right? Memorabilia. NBA game ball replica basketball. NBA. NBA shop. That's what I was looking for, but I couldn't find it at first. This is hard. I'm going to keep moving here. So I struggled. Were you able to find it? I'll say failure in this case because it was extremely hard to find. And even looking through, I had a lot of problems here. Most people use it quickly. I don't think so. I think there'd be some struggling. Cumbersome. Yeah, I think so. Felt confident, but the page is just a complete mess. And I thought that this page was a bit more organized and a bit more.
It feels like there's a lot going on, a lot of different content, and so that could be overwhelming. You kind of have to scroll up and down a couple of times to know where, at what point you're going to jump in, because there's a lot going on. 6 different fonts so far. And I think what that does is it makes the page really noisy. So I would like to see a universal font, same font everywhere. Of course, this one is a lot more news oriented. So you're going to get more video, you're going to get more ancillary content. And I think that would be the strength here. In addition, you've got links, direct links to watch content, which I didn't have on that other site.
That was, whoops, I don't like things that run, don't like things that run automatically. That's very frustrating. Please turn that off.
Again, this area at the top to me seems a little crowded, and I would like a little white space between the stories. I don't know. Maybe you could do it so that when I clicked on, I could like click on Thursday, July 23rd, and it would bring up, it would collapse, and so then I would be able to see the other dates and just click on that date and uncollapse it to see what happened. That I would definitely change that. So there's not a lot of scrolling going on. Draft, mock drafts. I don't see where, besides news stories, there's any rumors of what's going on. And maybe that's supposed to be part of the news stories. It'd be nice, like, maybe if there was a way to, on the top here, where the headlines are, maybe a way to scroll, like, to see more headlines instead of having to actually go through like this and keep like see more. I mean, it just seems like there might be a better way to do that.